Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. I finally got another chance to get out back on the river and it's a beautiful day. It's real nice. Hopefully we can get in some brown trout, maybe some rainbows and some steelhead. We'll see what happens. Today I'm using a gold and red inline bladed lure, and then I have about 8 inches of a monofilament stren. Then I have a barrel twist to keep barrel swivel to keep line twist out of my line. This setup has been very successful for me. So we'll see if we can keep that up today. Stay tuned. Here we go. Here's a nice fish. Finally. Looks like we got a brown. Oh yeah. It's a nice little brown. Oh, he's a little bigger than little. There we go. Nice fish. Good looking brown. Can't beat it. One down. Let's see what else we can get. One fish down. Nice brown trout, probably around 12, 13 inches. We'll see what else we can get. Here we go. It's another fish. It's a littler one, but it's still a trout. What do we got? Oh, it's another little brown. There we go. 2 fish down. Nice baby little brown here. Maybe around 6 inches. 2 fish on the day. See what else we can get. 2 fish down. 2 brown trout. We'll see what other type of fish we can catch in here, or if that's all we'll catch. Oh, there's a good one. Oh boy, that guy just hammered it. It's another brown. See if we can't get him in. Oh wow, nice fish. This guy hit harder than he should for his size and for the time of year it is, but there we go. Get another nice brown. Got some gorgeous colors on this guy. Here she goes. 3 fish down. See if we can get some more. 3 fish down. See if we can get some more out of this hole. Here we go. Here's another one. Another nice little brownie. Fish number 4. 4 brown trout down. Let's get some more. That's 4 fish. Let's get another. Here we go. Here's another nice one. Oop. There, getting the net. Nice little trout. Fifth brown trout on the day. Not bad at all. Tell you what, this is really fun. Oop, come on, buddy. There we go. Nice looking trout. Goodbye, buddy. 5 fish. Let's get some more. 5 fish. Let's try to get number 6. No way. Got one. That's pretty cool. Let's see if we can land her now. Oh, it's a good fish too. Oh wow. Real good brown. Whoa. Thing just hammered this. And I was on top of that log, so whew, there we go. 6 trout on the day. Nice brown, probably 13 or 14 inches. Get her out of there. Well, trout number 6. Awesome. Well, that's 6 fish down. Let's see if we can get some more. Oh, missed one. Darn. Wasn't massive or anything, but there was a fish on. The fish. Wasn't recording, of course, but what do we got? Looks to be a brown. Oh, maybe it's a rainbow. Oh no, it's a brown. Really pale. I'm gonna not put him in the net this time. Nice looking fish. Another nice looking brown. Out of that hole right up there. Goodbye, buddy. Awesome. Well, that was yet another fish. I think that puts me at either 7 or 8 fish on the day. All brown trout. Nothing massive. Definitely worth the trip though. I'm gonna keep on heading upstream and hopefully we can hook into a steelhead. Who knows? There we go. Fish on. I don't know why I shut the recording off, but I did. Nice little brown trout. Still pretty looking guy. Good colors. Good colors, good spots. Look at that thing. Beautiful. Got another nice brown. Some big spots on this one. Beautiful trout. Goodbye, buddy. Well, I got a behemoth. I got done fishing and, well, I guess my camera died, the GoPro, but on the way down, I thought, you know, I don't use a rapala very often, so I strapped one of those bad boys on, and this is what we got right here. A nice trout. I'm assuming it's probably a 17-incher, but it's a behemoth. It's exactly what you're looking for. I'll get a release here. There we go. Bad release, but he released. Got another brown trout. This one on a rapala. All right.